Hey Tech Motors family, bear with me, it is a bit windy. This is the 2000 Honda CRV. It comes with 52,837 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This CRV is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Before we start, right here is the button for the hatch. So you'll have to push that if you do want to open the trunk. These seats do stow away to create more cargo room as well. And you do have interior hanging rails on both sides. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The miles that you are looking at up here, 85,033. That is the kilometers. Sorry. The miles on it again is 52,837. So we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't catch my breath. That phone number is 423-716-2161. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.